Let's have a look at the question. The given bar graph shows the number of workers in a factory. Find the total number of workers in all the factory whose age is below 40 years. Find the total number of workers in all the factories whose age is below 40 years. They have given age or the above the age of 40 years. They have given the values in the factory. So in factory A, there are 40 people above 40 years, 50 people above 40 years. In factory B, there are 70 people above 40 years. In factory C, they have 110, and factory D, they have 120. So they're asking what is the number of workers whose age is below 40 years. So below 40 years will be the remaining one, right? Below 40 years, what is the value? It's below 40 years. If this is 50, this will be 150. If this is 70, this will be 330. And if this is 110, it will be 230. And if this is 120, it will be 200. Yes, they're asking about the total one. Then we just add it out and we'll get to know what's the value. Total number is 150 plus 330 plus 230 plus 200. That's 400, 400, 700, 800, 910. Yes, the answer is 910. If the total number of males and females in a factory E is 20% more than the total number of males and females in factory D, and the ratio of number of males and females in the factory E is 7:5. Find the number of females in factory E. Now you have to try to relate E and D. First, we have to go with the number of workers. Okay, number of workers in D. In D, it is nothing but 320, right? 120 plus 200, that's 320. Now, what they have told, number of workers in factory E is how much? It is nothing but 20% more. It's nothing but 20% more. Number of workers in E. Workers in E. It's nothing but 20% more. So I can say 320 plus 20% of 320. 20% of 320. There's nothing but 320 plus 64, 384, right? It's nothing but 384. This is done with number of workers. Next, they have told the ratio of male and female is 7:5. Ratio of male and female is 7:5. Now you have to find out what is the number of female in the factory. Number of females equals to the total 384 into the ratio of female. Ratio of female is 5 out of, it is 5 out of 12. It is 5 out of 12. So if you're going to tackle this, we'll get 12 32 times, and 5 into 32 gives 160. So answer is C, 160. If 40% of the total number of workers in a factory A and C together are females, okay, 40% of workers in the factory A and C together are females, and 20% of the number of workers in factory B are males. Find the total females in the factory A, B, and C together. They have told if 40% of the total number of workers in factory A and C together are females. They have told number of females in A and C is 40% of the total employees. Okay. Number of females in factory A and C. A and C is 40% of the total one. %40 of females in A and C. A is having a total amount of 200 and C is having a total amount of 340. So if you're going to take it out, it is 540, and 40% of 540 is 216. Total number of females in the factory A and C combined together is 216. Okay, next they have told 20% of the number of workers in a factory B are males. 20% factory B are males. It means 80% are female, right? 80% are female. So I can say number of females in B, in factory B is 80%. This 80% of 400. which is nothing but 320. Find the total females in the factory A, B, and C together. We got to know A and C. The total number of female is 216 and B is 320. The total female in A, B, C is nothing but 216 plus 320, which will give us 536. The answer is option D. Okay, then we'll move out to the next question. In factory C, the number of male above 40 years of age is 30, and in factory A, the number of males above 40 years is 30, and find the female workers above the age of 40 in factory C is how much percent more or less than the number of female workers above the age of 40 in factory A. Okay, we'll start solving one by one, part by part here. So they have told number of males in factory C. How much males in factory C? How much, guys? Males in C is 30, right? It is 30. They have already given this. Next, what is the number of females in factory C? If you got to know the males, what is the number of females in factory C? Yes, that too above 40 years of age, right? Number of males above 40 years of age is 30. So if it is above 40 years of age, we have only 110 people. Then I can say females about 30 years of age, 40 years of age will be 80 then. Above 40 years of age. Both the conditions are for greater than 40 years. Greater than 40 years. Now number of males in factory A. I will go with number of males in factory A. That too above 40 years. Males in factory A is 30. Okay. Similarly, what about females? That too above 30 years. Females in factory A. If this is 30, the total are above 40 years is 50. So it will be 20 here. 20. Done. We're done with this. Now they ask what is the required percentage. What is the required percentage here? Find the female workers above the age of 40 in factory C. Female workers. It is what percentage greater than female workers above the age of 40 in this one. Now I can say required percentage is equals to 80 minus 20 divided by 20 into 100. That is nothing but 60 by 20, which is 3 into 100 gives 300%. Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.